3, 2, 1. It's so Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of 2 new phone cases from Wildflower. So I got 2 new phone cases from Wildflower because I recently got a new phone for my birthday and I needed a phone case. So back in one of my previous videos, I did an unboxing of a Casetify case. So basically in that video, I got a case from Casetify for my iPhone 8 Plus, and I loved that case. I used it all the time. I am the type of person that loves collecting phone cases, and I am the type of person that changes cases like every other day. But I would always notice that I would always come back to that case. And if you guys want to see that unboxing and my first impressions of that phone case, make sure you guys check out that video. The link will be in the description box down below, and I will also link it up above so that you guys can check it out whenever you guys want to. So for the past year or two, I have been wanting to try out phone cases from Wildflower. I've always been so curious to see how their quality is, how their packaging is. Are the cases just as cute in person or even cuter than on the website and on pictures? And are they protective? Are they worth the money? I've had these questions for about a year or two, and then I realized what better time than now to get a Wildflower phone case. If you guys didn't know, recently I got a new phone for my birthday and I did an unboxing video, so if you guys are interested, I will have it linked down below, so you guys should definitely check it out. But basically I did an unboxing of my new phone, which is the iPhone 12 Pro, and it is in the color gold. It's really pretty, but I need a phone case that's going to protect my phone and is also cute because I love phone cases that are just cute and protective. That's why I love Casetify. Their phone cases are so cute, but very protective, and they can survive a 6.6 foot drop, and some of them can even survive a 9 foot drop. So I'm just curious to see the quality of Wildflower's phone cases. I've never seen one in real life, and I'm just so excited. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really love to have you here. And also guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell. This way you are notified of all my future videos. But now without further ado, let's get right into it. So both of the phone cases came in this black envelope, and now let's open it up. It's nicely sealed. So something I noticed as soon as I opened this envelope up is that it's actually protecting the phone cases inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like bubble wrap and like plastic that's kind of surrounding the phone cases. So it's definitely a very good thing, because I don't know how good of a condition my phone cases would have came if they were just plainly in an envelope. I feel like they could easily get damaged like that, but I think it's really good that they kind of put the plastic and the bubble wrap. I think it really shows that they do truly care about the way it gets sent over to the customer, and I think that's definitely something that should be appreciated more. Alright, let's pull them out. So my 2 Wildflower cases are out, and this is what they came like. They are each separate. They are in their own individual like box for each case, and they are both in their individual plastic, kind of like plastic bag for them, which is really nice because it shows that they do care about how it gets to you during the shipping, and I think that it really protects the phone cases because they could easily get damaged during the shipping. But with all this nice protection with the packaging, I think it's definitely helping to make sure that the phone cases arrive safely. So the reason why I have them face down is because I wanted to make a little surprise, kind of like little game, something a little fun for us. I'm going to shuffle them around, and then whichever one I end up choosing, I'm going to start with that one. It's my very first time opening a case from Wildflower and also seeing one in real life, so I'm definitely really excited because I always see them on pictures, and now I'm just so curious about what they look like in real life. And I think it's going to be very fun for both of us if we do a little something special. So I'm going to put it on time lapse as I shuffle the cases around, and then the one I choose is the one that we are going to go with first. I know the two cases I got since I am the one that got them, but you guys don't, and I think this will be a very fun little game, little surprise for both of us. I'm so excited. Before I shuffle the phone cases and choose the one we're going to open first, I'm going to take both of them out of their plastic. Alright everyone, so this is the phone case I ended up choosing. I did not peek, and I'm so excited to figure out which case it is and finally be able to open a Wildflower case for the very first time and see one in real life. So I'm so excited. On the count of 3, you guys are going to get to see it first. 1, 2, 3. Which one is it? It's the Flower Power one. And each case comes with 2 stickers, and since I got 2 phone cases, I got 4 stickers in total, and I love it. So the first sticker I got is the sticker that matches my phone case. I believe this one is called Groovy Shrooms. I might be wrong, but this is the second sticker I got. They're so cute. I love them. So I think that this is just such a cute case. It's so vibrant, and I just love it. I love it already. I can't wait to open it. Okay guys, let's open up this case. All right, here it goes. 1, 2, 3. I love the packaging. And look at this, it's so shiny. It's so pretty. So pretty. I love the bright colors, the vibrant colors. It's perfect for summer. This phone case is so cute. This is the Flower Power case, and I feel like this is perfect for the summer season. I cannot wait to use this throughout the summer, and it actually does feel like really good quality in my hands. I can't tell yet if it's going to be protective, but I think it will. I'm going to try it on my phone. As I've mentioned before, I have the iPhone 12 Pro in the color gold, and I really love the color. I feel like it's just so pretty. I love how the gold looks, but I really wanted a case that will protect it, but also be cute at the same time. So that is why I chose Wildflower. All right, let's put this on. Okay, I can already tell that it's protective. Barely, I haven't even finished putting it on. Okay. It's nice. Yeah, I can definitely tell that it's going to be protective. And it looks so cute. Wow. I love it. Has like the Wildflower jewel on the bottom. That's super cute, super nice. So this is what the case looks like on my phone. It is so pretty. It's very shiny, and I love the vibrant colors. I feel like it looks so good together. It does have this like 80s kind of style, 80s kind of look, but I think that's what makes the phone case just so cute and so pretty, so vibrant in color. It's perfect for summer. It has this black border, which I really like, and I can definitely tell that it's going to protect my phone because it does have the raised lip along the screen. And I think that that's so nice, and I feel like this case is gonna look so good when you do mirror selfies. It's so pretty. Alright guys, overall, I love the phone case. I can tell that it's really good quality, and I can tell that it actually is protective because it has like the raised lip, which is pretty important to me at least, because it definitely lets me know that it is going to be protective. I don't drop my phone a lot, but there are times when I do, and I just want to know that my phone is protected in a case. So that's why I got this case, because I heard that it was protective, slim, and cute, and I think I can definitely agree about this one. But yeah, this is the Flower Power case, and I really love it. I think it's so pretty, and it's definitely perfect for the summer. But wait, we're not done yet. We still have one more case from Wildflower that I still did not even had a look yet. And I'm just so excited, because now that I know that I love this case, I can't wait for you guys to see what other case I chose. I'm so excited. Here it is. Let's flip it over. Again, you guys are going to see it first. 3, 2, 1. I can't wait to see it. 3, 2, 1. It's so pretty. Wow, that is so pretty. And I got a sticker that also matches this case right here. And it has Antonio written on it with the smiley face. I think she signed it, because if you guys didn't know, this is the Antonio Garza collab. Antonio Garza designed this phone case, and I think this sticker has her signature on it. It's so cute. I can't wait to open this phone case up. And then the other sticker I got, I believe this is the Saturdays case, but I'll pop in a picture. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that this is the Saturdays sticker. I really like it. It has like the smiley faces, sad face. It's yellow. I think it's really cute. I love these stickers. I will definitely use them. But I can't wait to open up the case. This is what the case looks like in its packaging, and the matching sticker with Antonio's signature. The matching sticker is so cute. I love it. It's basically like a sunset kind of pattern in the background with these colorful butterflies. I feel like it's perfect for spring and summer. Let's open up this case. I'm so excited. 3, 2, 1. I love this packaging. I feel like when I'm using one case, the other case, I will also keep it in this packaging. This way, when I'm about to change a case, it feels like I'm opening a new one. I love this packaging. Let's take it out. Oh wow, it is so pretty. I love the colors. Has this welcome to the fam note. I think that's really cute. But here's the case. It is so pretty. I love the colors. I love how it looks like a sunset in the background with these really pretty colorful butterflies on it. And I love how all of Wildflower cases have this black border. I actually really like that. These cases are so much prettier in real life, and I'm so happy about that. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and put this case onto my phone. So now the case is on my phone. The buttons are easy to press. It is easy to put on and to take off. This case is not flimsy at all. It's definitely hard, but it's not too hard to take off. So that's really good. And it's so pretty. The main reasons why I chose these cases are because of the colors. I love these type of color these cases have. I think it's just so pretty, and these cases definitely give me a summer and spring vibe, which is perfect, and I'm definitely looking forward towards my mirror selfies that I'll be taking. If you didn't know, I love mirror selfies. I take mirror selfies almost every single day. I think I do take them every day. So with these two cute cases, I feel like these two cases will match any outfit, which is really good. And I'm just so excited to use these cases. They are so cute and so pretty. I can tell they are definitely really good quality, and I can also tell that these are pretty protective, so I'm definitely super excited to use these. Now here is the big question. Are these cases worth the money? So I think that this is a question I've been seeing a lot, because while I was waiting for my cases to arrive, I did watch a few videos of other people unboxing their cases from Wildflower, and I have been seeing a lot of people like in the comments saying, are these cases worth it? Or I would just see people mention it in the video, because I think that's like one of the most asked questions. Wildflower is a very popular phone case brand, and I feel like something people ask a lot is, are they worth it? And now that I've unboxed these two cases, I can definitely give you an answer, and that is yes. Yes, these cases are so worth it. They are so much prettier in real life. They are really high quality and protective, and I can just tell by looking at it. And as you saw from the previous close-up, that there is this raise that this phone case gives, so basically it will protect the screen. And also, especially if someone is using a screen protector, then you're 100% good. But I'm pretty sure that even if you're not using a screen protector, it will still protect your phone, because I can just tell that it's a protective phone case. It's really good quality, and I can just tell that it's good quality. The designs are so cute. You get 2 stickers per phone case, and the packaging that these cases come in, They are so cute. I am so excited to use these 2 cases, and hopefully in the future I will get some more cases from Wildflower, but for now I'm going to enjoy these 2. If you guys are considering buying a phone case from Wildflower, which I definitely recommend that you do, I will have a link to their website in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really love to have you here. Also guys, make sure you hit the notification bell. This way you are notified of all of my future videos. I hope everyone is staying safe, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!